Hey there, Tanmay here. Today I'm gonna talk about uncomfortableness. So you have to be how you can why you should be seek uncomfortableness. So humans are social animals. We like to spend time with the people who appreciate us, who praises us, who praise us. So what happens when, let's take my example again. If I create a video and I show that video to my 10-20 friends, everybody says that that's a good video, that's a great video, whatever else it is. But there is not the actual growth. We as a human always seek for the comfort, but there is not the growth. When we seek for uncomfortableness, there you will find the growth. Because if I show my video to only my friends, then I will think that I'm doing the best thing. Because of course these people, they like me, they love me, or they will try to keep my confidence up, whatever things. They will always tell me that at least 90% of those people will tell me that you are doing good or whatever else. But if I show that particular video to people who don't know me, 20 people, 30 people, 40 people, 100 people, then those people will tell me what is wrong, what is what do they like to see in the video, or whatever their opinion. So 100 new people will give 100 new opinions about that particular video. So it will make me uncomfortable, but that's where the growth is. And then I will understand actually that what I should do to go to the next level. So my job is not only to make my friends happy, but I have to make everybody knowledgeable. I have to share my experience, whatever thing, through my videos to more and more people. And it's very important for me that I should understand what actually people are looking for. And that's why we have to that's why I am actually going talking with the new people, and I show my videos to them and take feedback. And that's how I'm trying to grow my video marketing, or videos, you can say. So what you have to do, same thing, seek for uncomfortableness, and your growth will follow you. Because don't do the same thing which is in the comfort zone. Everybody likes comfort. People love me, those 100 people every single month you're doing the same thing. There is not actually the growth. The growth is in uncomfortableness. So what you can do, try to talk with the new people, go into the new environment, related environment, spend time there, read or watch something that is makes you uncomfortable. People who are doing better than you, there where is the growth. You'll understand why these people are doing that good thing than you. Maybe they are maybe you are of the same age, maybe they are 5 years or 10 years younger than you. But you have to see, you must feel uncomfortable, and then you will think, your brain will think that okay, there's something wrong, why I'm not growing, because I have to do this, or whatever the reason, or whatever the answer. So just try to do uncomfortable things, and let me know your thoughts on this. Thank you.